Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Builder Potion in Clash of Clans. This powerful magic item is designed to accelerate your village development. When activated, it provides a substantial boost, making all your builders work 10 times faster for a full 60 minutes. This means you can complete multiple upgrades much quicker, pushing your base to its full potential and saving valuable time. Acquiring Builder Potions is straightforward, with several reliable methods available. You can frequently find them for purchase in the League shop, using your hard-earned League medals. Additionally, the trader often offers these valuable potions as part of his daily deals. Don't forget to check clan games and season challenges, as they are common rewards there too. To get the absolute most out of your Builder Potion, timing is everything. The ideal moment to activate it is when every single one of your builders is actively engaged in an upgrade. This ensures that the 10 times speed boost applies to all ongoing projects, whether you have 5 or 6 builders. Prioritize using it for your longest upgrades to see the biggest impact. Activating a Builder Potion is a simple process. First, make sure all your builders are busy with upgrades to maximize the potion's effect. Then, navigate to your Magic Items tab within your village. Locate the Builder Potion icon and simply tap on it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your choice, and the 1-hour speed boost will immediately begin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.